All right, first grade artists, today we are going to be finishing our Mondrian paintings by adding some shapes on top. And I'm going to be showing you a little trick to get the shapes to pop up off of your painting. So when you get your painting back, you're going to first need to peel the tape off. And you need to go super slow so that your paper doesn't rip. So notice how I'm keeping the tape really close to the table and I'm pulling super slow. If your paper starts to rip, you need to stop and try it from the other direction. If it's ripping lots, maybe raise a quiet hand and I can come and help you. We can take care of any rips with maybe a little bit of glue, so don't worry too much if it rips a little bit. Peeling my tape, slow and steady, keeping it close to the table. This is what I mean. Notice how my hand is way up here like this, going up tall. I want it close to the table so it's going flat. That will help so my paper doesn't rip. All right, awesome. So I am ready to add some shapes. My shapes need to be in the same three primary colors: yellow, blue, and red. And there's some different kinds of yellows and blues and red. So you could add triangles, you could add squares, you could add rectangles. You need to cut those shapes out of the paper and you're going to attach it to a shape. So this is my big yellow rectangle. I'm going to attach a little blue rectangle, but I want it to be 3D. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to create a little spring. So cut off a long skinny rectangle that could maybe hide underneath this big rectangle here. And you're going to fold it. So my fold is called an accordion fold. I'm going to fold and flip. Fold and flip. Fold and flip. Do you see how I have a little accordion here? That's like my little spring for my shape. So I'm going to glue this all together by opening up my glue bottle, twisting the top, taking off any glue boogers. Get it breathing. Good. Shake, shake, shake the glue all the way down to the orange part, kind of like maple syrup, and a little dot. Dot's a lot. That's enough for me. That's going to go on my shape. A little dot on my spring. And I'm going to kind of curl it all up and put it on my yellow rectangle and count to 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there it is. I'm going to do another square. I think a blue or a red square. Maybe on that same spot or maybe up here on the blue. So I cut out my square. Skinny little rectangle for my spring. And an accordion fold. So I fold it and flip. Fold it and flip. Fold it and flip. Fold and flip until I've got my little spring. Cool. I dot a glue on the top for my shape. Fold it up. I dot a glue on the bottom. Press it to my paper and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, it looks so cool. You are going to add shapes to each of these parts. They could be circles or triangles or squares or rectangles using the primary colored papers at your table. When you are done, this is going to go to the drying rack. Carry it flat like a lunch tray all the way to the drying rack, as low as you can go, and you might kind of have to fold these shapes down so it will fit in the drying rack. Alright, I can't wait to see how these turn out.